Hi everyone, this is Moshe with the Michelle Hirsch Group, and today on our DIY home fixes we have a pot filler that apparently is having a leak over here, and we almost called the manufacturer to replace it, but we figured out there's actually a better way to do it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to unscrew the pot filler. All the pot fillers usually have a screw that you can actually undo the joints. And so we're going to do this one. This is the one that's leaking, and it actually uses a regular socket wrench. Put it on top. We're going to unscrew it. You can see here that I unscrewed the top of it, and now it's just sticking out of the wall. And now that the unit is taken apart, you can actually see over here, this is where it screws in. And you can see sometimes these get a little bit worn, and there's a little washer that gets worn around here. So replacing that washer will actually stop the leak. But if you actually use some Teflon plumber's tape around the threading, we can actually solve that problem as well. And the way we do the Teflon tape is we take the tape off. There's one way to do it. And then I only have one hand here, but we're going to wrap this tape around to create a nice little seal for the threading. And now you can see that I wrapped the threading around here, so this is actually going to act as, they used to use an old putty that we put around here, and it's a little messier. This Teflon tape works really, really well for all sorts of threading and creates an amazing seal. So now that this is done, we're going to re-screw it back in, and you're going to see that this is actually going to fill all the threading gaps and create a really nice waterproof seal. And now we screwed it back in. You can see we're going to turn on the water, and we've got no water coming out, all water free and completely sealed. And so the secret again is using our Teflon tape. And this is Teflon plumber's tape, good for all threading repairs. It actually is an incredible tool to have in your toolbox. And that's it. Come again and watch our videos on DIY home fixes from the Michelle Hirsch Group.